Make sure you write your date and title before you start. Yamin, do you have a question?
Teacher, bring the notebook.
Yes, you're going to need your English notebook. We're going to solve a revision sheet, and then I want you to write the answers in your notebook. So before we start solving the examples, let's revise a bit. And remember what possessive nouns are together. Singular noun, singular means one thing, we said. So for one noun, like boy, boy is only one thing or one person. So we only add apostrophe and S after the words. Apostrophe is this sign. So we add apostrophe and S. Apostrophe is like a comma, but it's up. So the example would be the boy's bicycle. So the bicycle belongs to the boy. The bicycle is for the boy. It is the boy's bicycle. Plural noun. Plural means a group of things. So you have two boys, and sometimes it's more than two. So because it's plural, it already has S at the end of it. And because it has S, we add apostrophe at the end. Notice here, because it's plural, we have more than two boys or two or more nouns. The apostrophe is added at the end. So the bicycles belong to the boys. They are the boys' bicycles. Irregular plural nouns, this will not come in the test because it wasn't in your book, but for your information, if something in a group like child is singular, but the plural is not childs, it's children. So because the plural is different, is unique, or is special, we have to add apostrophe and S the same way we add it to the singular noun. So the bicycles belong to the children, or instead of saying the bicycle belong to the children, we just say children's bicycles. So the apostrophe and S help us make our sentences shorter. So we will do a few examples together, and then only write when I write on the whiteboard. So anything I write on the whiteboard, I want you to write in your notebook. Ali, read the first example, please.
The man.
Yes. The students. Number 1.
The students has a pen. The pen is on the table.
Well done, Ali. So here, the noun in front of us is student. Is this singular or plural? Singular is only one. Plural is a group. Student is only one.
Student one.
Yes, student is only one, so it is singular. So because student is only one, we have to put apostrophe after the noun. Then we put the S. So because it's singular, we put apostrophe, then S.
Student.
Thank you, Ali. Eileen, read number 2.
Okay.
Read number 2, please.
Number 2, the man has a car. The car is in the garage.
So we are revising now possessive nouns. The noun in front of us here is the man. Man, is it one or more?
Man, one.
Right. Man is one person or one thing, so it is singular. Singular means one. So the car belongs to who, Eileen? The car is for who?
For the man.
Right. So we say the man's. I will write the answer in the whiteboard. So you should have your notebooks open so you can write the answers with me. Number 2, the man's. Notice because man is only one, I put apostrophe and S. Car is in the garage. Please write your answers in your English notebook. Make sure you write in a clear, neat, beautiful handwriting and leave spaces between words so you can read it. Party. Party. Party.
أيوة. Horse.
Fun. Was fun.
Horse fun.
So I need to look at the noun that I have here, which is friends. Is friends one person or a group?
One.
Friends, there's an S.
Oh, a group.
Group, so it's a plural noun. It already has an S. So because it already has an S, I have to add the apostrophe at the end. So who had the party? Muhammad? The party belongs to who?
صاحبه لهذا مس.
Yes, friends. So the party belongs to the friends because they had it. So let's go back to the whiteboard so you can all write the answers in your English notebook.
نعم ما بسمعك مليح صوتك عم بيقطع.
I can hear you properly. Maybe you have a connection problem. Had a fun party. My friends had a fun party. So notice here, plural noun and up singular noun. There is a difference in the apostrophe. Please write in your English notebook. Eileen, I told you I can't always see you if you're only raising your hand. I have to use the program. What's your question?
Teacher, بدل has كتبتي had.
My friends had. Yes, because it's in the past. It already happened.
It's had.
Yes.
Are in what?
India. India is the name of a country.
India. This
Has a population.
Population. The population is
Very. Large. So what is the noun here?
What?
What's the noun?
What is the mean?
Noun. Noun is the word we're describing. India. We're talking about India here, right?
Yes.
So India is the noun. Is India one thing or a group of things?
India is one thing.
Yes, it's only one country. So the population that they are talking about, population, by the way, means a group of people. So who is the population for?
Teacher.
Who is the population for?
What?
The population. Who is it for? It belongs to who?
India.
Yes, the population belongs to India. So in your notebooks, you will write number 5, India's population is very large. Thank you, Hawra.
You're welcome.
Read number 7, please. Do you see the revision sheet?
My sister have a friend. The friend
Are
are interesting.
interesting. So we're talking about the sisters here. The sisters is the noun. Sisters is one person or a group of people? What do you think, Lamar? Sisters is one or a group?
One.
Sisters ends with an S. If it has an S at the end, it means there's a lot of them. It's a group. So because it ends with an S, it's plural. So who do the friends belong to? Lamar, who do the friends belong to here? My sisters have friends. So the friends are for who? For the sisters, right? Look, sisters is the noun, and because there's an S at the end of it, that means it's a group, it's plural. So the friends belong to the sisters. Let's write it on the whiteboard. My sisters, and notice how I will put the apostrophe at the end. My sisters' friends are interesting. So this is the last one we're going to do about this topic. Apostrophe is this. I want you all to remember this. This is the apostrophe. Please look at the first two examples before we start solving together. We have two pictures here in front of us. We have picture A and picture B. In number 1, they said a car on the road. So we want to see if there is a car on the road. Let me grab my marker here. And do I see a car on the road? Yes, I see a car on the road. So I said, or they said, there is a car on the road. Now we're looking at picture B. This is picture B. Also, we're looking for a car on the road. There is no car on the road, so we say there isn't a car on the road. Yaman, read number 3, please.
A bag.
A big
Tree in picture A.
Do you see a big tree in picture A?
No.
Look at picture A. This is picture A. Do you see any trees?
I know. There is bigger in picture B.
How many do you have in picture B?
2.
2. So they both have trees, but the number of trees is different. So we will say 3. There is a tree. 4. There are 2 trees. So notice how when there is a singular, so for singular, we say is. For plural, we use are. So there is a tree because it's only one. There are 2 trees because it's 2 or more. Thank you, Yaman. We will do one more example and then I will let you go. Athman, read number 9, please.
Number لا شو اسمه
balloons.
بالونز بالونز ان
Picture.
in
Picture.
picture
So look at picture B, Uthman. This is the balloon. So we have no balloons in picture A, but we have balloons in picture B, right? So this is how we're going to write it.
this
Yes.
this is the balloon
9. There are no balloons. 10. There are balloons. We have less than 1 minute. So if you don't finish writing, it's okay. I will send the answers on WhatsApp.